Welcome to Mathmo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a box and whisker diagram, also known as a box plot. To do this, you'll need to calculate various statistics including the median, the lower quartile, and the upper quartile. In this example, we have a list of 15 numbers, and note they have already been sorted into ascending order, so we can start calculating the stats we need straight away. First, we'll find the median, or the middle number. Now, if we had an even number of numbers, we'd have to calculate the number halfway between the two middle numbers. But in this case, we have an odd number of numbers, so the median is easy to find because it will be an actual number in the list. When the list is small, it's quite easy to find the middle number just by starting at both ends and working your way into the middle. But when the list is large, here's what you can do. You can think of the median being one number in the middle, with the rest of the numbers being balanced evenly on either side. So in this example, we have one number in the middle, 7 on one side, and 7 on the other side. So the median is the 8th number in the list, and that's a 6. Next, we'll find the lower quartile, which is the median of the lower half of the list, excluding the median. Since there are 7 numbers in that list, the median will be the 4th number, smack in the middle, with 3 numbers on either side. Similarly, the upper quartile is the median of the upper half of the list, excluding the median, and again, there are 7 numbers in that list, so the median is the 4th number, smack in the middle, with 3 numbers on either side. So now we can say that the lower quartile is 4 and the upper quartile is 9. So the values we've calculated so far will form the box of our box and whisker diagram. To draw the whiskers, we need to know the minimum, the lowest value, which is 2, and the maximum, the highest value, which is 14. And these 5 numbers are often called the 5-point summary. Right, now we can draw the box and whisker diagram. First, set up your axis. Here's one I prepared earlier. Now you don't have to do it this way, but I like to draw the box first, which starts at the lower quartile and finishes at the upper quartile. Then I draw the whiskers, extending out to the minimum and the maximum. Finally, I draw the median line inside the box. And optionally, you can add vertical bars to the ends of the whiskers to make things look clearer. So, there's our box and whisker diagram. It's a nice visual summary of our list of numbers because not only does it tell you how spread out your numbers are, it gives you a sense of where the middle 50% of your data sits. And this middle 50% is probably the data you're most interested in. And while we're talking about how spread out our data is, this is a good time to mention the range and the interquartile range. Visually, you'll notice that your diagram spans from 2 to 14, but you can't say the range is 2 to 14. In statistics, the range is the length of that span. So in this case, it's 14 minus 2, which is 12. Similarly, the interquartile range spans from the lower quartile to the upper quartile, and visually it's the length of the box. So in this case, it's 9 minus 4, which is 5. Okay, so we're done. Thanks for watching.